Morning, children. As you know, we are doing the topic the earth and the sky. In the last class, I told you about the heavenly bodies, the solar system, the sun, and the planet earth. So, today we are going to proceed with this chapter. Children, have you ever noticed the sky at night? What do you see in the sky at night? You see the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky. So today we are going to learn about moon. Have you ever wondered what is the moon? The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. What is a satellite? Satellite is a heavenly body which revolves around the planet regularly. Because moon moves around the planet earth, that's why it is the natural satellite of the earth. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. And there is no water and air present on the moon. That's why there is no life on the moon. The moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth. The moon takes about 27.3 days to complete one rotation around the earth. There are huge holes present on the moon. These huge holes are called craters. The first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong in the year 1969, and he was from USA. Now, have you noticed that the shape of the moon changes daily? These shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Sometimes the moon is round, sometimes there is no moon. So these are the phases of the moon. I will tell you. See, sometimes you do not see the moon in the sky. This is called the new moon. Then the shape of the moon is this, like this. It is called the crescent shape or the crescent moon. Then the shape of the moon is half round. That the shape, that moon face is called the half moon. Then you have the gibbous moon. The shape of the moon is like this. Then you have a full round moon, that is called the full moon. So these are the shapes or the phases of the moon. Then we come to the stars. There are millions of stars in the sky. These stars keep twinkling because of the atmosphere present around the earth. These stars are very, very far away from the earth. That's why they appear so small. The stars have their own light. Then have you noticed that some stars perform a particular pattern? This pattern of stars is called constellation. I will show you. See this. This particular pattern of the stars is called the constellation. This is the Orion and this is the Scorpio. So, I hope this much is clear to you. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth and the stars are present in the sky, and there are millions of stars in the sky. They have their own light. Thank you, children.